Hi my brilliant chefs! Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video I'm going to make a chicken stock using scraps from other recipes I prepared. What I used to make the stock is some parts of the chicken that I saved when breaking it down for a different meal, then celery leaves and some of the stalk, plus onions, carrots, bay leaves, water, and salt. If you have other kitchen scraps, toss them in as well. I set aside vegetable scraps in a Ziploc baggie and save them in the fridge until I have enough to make a stock just like this. I also save meat bones and parts in a different baggie too. Feel free to switch things up, add or tweak additional spices, and explore other flavors. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's start cooking. Add the chicken parts and veg to a pot and fill it with water. Stir everything around to make sure everything has been fully submerged, and then add the bay leaves, and then once the bay leaves have been added, add the salt, stir some more, and bring it to a boil. Once it's reached the boil, lower the heat to a simmer on low or medium low depending on your stove, and then every so often give it a good stir to mix things around. Cook till all the essence of the chicken parts, bones, and vegetables have been released into the water. It can take anywhere from an hour to 8 hours to 12 hours, depending how much you're preparing. I cooked this little bit for about an hour. Once done, fish out the chicken parts and veg and discard. They've given all they can at this point and served their purpose. After you've removed all of the debris out of the pot, except the broth, pour the remaining liquid through a strainer into a different bowl. This stock is perfect for soups, stews, sauces, gravy, or even just drinking it. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!